Hi, I am George and today I'm gonna show you my garden in bloom garden tour. Actually it was in bloom, I shot this video about 2 weeks ago, but I did not have time to show you to edit and let's see how it was look my garden in April. Now it's in May already, but was in bloom many trees and show you. And let's start with this beautiful cherry tree. It's in full flower and can see very beautiful flowers and many flowers. I hope fruits will be more too. And another variety of cherry tree, beautiful too and great. These have less cherries that one first. The banana tree doing very well there. I planted it into the ground and from there will grow a new leaf, but we need to wait a little. And the vine doing very well, growing new branches, and we'll see how it will grow in the next few weeks. And yeah, growing nice. The Prunus sericifera doing well too, and it's in full bloom and growing on it are the leaves. So happy, doing very well. Let's get closer to see how it looks the flowers, and it have many flowers on it this year. So happy. Also, I have dairy rabbits and it's in bloom now and was grow so leaves, beautiful leaves and waiting for the fruits. So we'll see updates. And there I have gooseberries waiting for fruits too and it have leaves already. I'm happy and it's blooming. And you can see the bee pollinate the flowers and will make fruits soon and so happy. They looking amazing and we will make update on it in my too. Look, I focused a little and how it looks at the leaves, beautiful. And this is Prunus domestica and it's blooming for the children already and the fruit still has not kept. It's still young and maybe this year the fruit will get and we will see. So looking at the moment. Roses from Italy, they grow so beautiful there, was grow new leaves and these roses I got in April last year and it have red flowers, this one, and will bloom soon, we'll see. Another rose and this makes white flowers and smell good and it's from Italy too. We need to wait to grow and will bloom. So looking at the moment. There I have small magnolia from seed from Lynn, the seed plants of Avalon, and you know Lynn, your magnolia resisted frost to minus 17 degrees in Celsius, and that's good. I'm happy resisted the winter and growing as you can see. There I have garlic and it started to grow alone because I did not dig it and let's see how it looks now, beautiful. And I saw what the onion there should be growing in some weeks, so we'll see how will be. Apple tree soon will bloom and this it have red flowers, something like that, and was grow so leaves. This is another variety. It's near each other and you can see how they look beautiful. And there I have persimmon tree and look how it looks so beautiful flowers. I love this color and hope will give me many fruits in the summer. So looking beautiful and full of flowers and we'll see. beautiful, I love that. There I have pear tree and it's going to bloom. And do you remember last year was full of fruits and yeah, just flower will open soon and will grow new leaves. So we'll see, waiting for that. But there I have blackberry plants grafted and was grow leaves already and it's green so beautiful and soon will grow fruits, flowers and so exciting. And another one there growing too and spinach. I have there one row of spinach and onion from last year and doing well. And there growing lots of spinach seedlings that fell down more seeds and look so many. There growing two queens trees as you can see and was grow leaves already and the sun will bloom and waiting for that. I love these beautiful leaves and hope will make more fruits and in the fall I will make jam from queens. Beautiful trees. Another apple tree and it's the first flower ever and happy for that bloomed. And look at it how it looks, beautiful. I like this fall. There I have mulberry tree and you can see growing leaves and it does not have fruits yet, but maybe this year will give me some fruits, we will see. And another one there growing too. I cut the branches and I clean the tree and looking good now. Another beautiful pear tree I have and blooms for the first time and we will see how will be the fruits and beautiful tree looking good. And the apple tree, another one, they're growing but no flowers. It maybe in the next year will bloom and we will see. It need to grow it, so need to wait. Southern tree is so beautiful, full of flowers and you can see beautiful and white flowers beautiful and it have about 5 years I think and just look, it's not beautiful, yeah, it's beautiful and great flowers. Hope will make more fruits. Great it looks. The blackberry plants doing very well and will grow blackberries soon. Waiting. There is Prunus alminiaca and is the first bloom and there is cherry peter and it's blooming for the first time too. Let's get closer and beautiful flowers. And the violet tree growing leaves on it, beautiful leaves. Coldness moss on this tree was grow so beautiful leaves and let's get closer. I like these leaves how it looks beautiful and have not given it to me yet, but we will wait for that and maybe next year, maybe I don't know. And I have another one there but growing weaker than the first one. Also I have there blackberry plants too and growing leaves too. Beautiful plants and waiting for the fruits. And we can see close up the flowers of cherry bitter and the beautiful flowers it have. We will see how fruit will have. There is the apple tree that last year was grow first fruits and we can see it's grow leaves already, waiting for flowers. And there another one and will grow leaves soon. We'll wait. Paulownia tomentosa survived the winter and will grow leaves soon. Now it have buds and will grow so large leaves and fast and so looking at the moment. Young queen's tree was grow leaves on it already and will bloom soon. And so beautiful it looks young and who will make lots of fruits. And that's all today. Hope you enjoyed this video and yeah, thanks for watching this video to the end. Greetings from Moldova and have an amazing day. I'm George, and subscribe to my channel, like and share. See you next time. Bye.